To what extent can you calculate the median from a set of data? The median is the middle piece of data when all of the data is in ascending order. This is from the smallest to the biggest. Here are two examples. For this set of data, we've put it from smallest to largest, ascending order, and we can see that the middle number is 15. We can work this out by counting from the outside. So for example, we would cross this one off, cross another one off at the end, and we would work our way in towards the middle until we get to the middle number, which is 15. So the median is 15. If we look at the next example and we do the same thing, we cross off from the outside, working our way in, we can see that we end up with two numbers in the middle. So we end up needing to find the middle of those two numbers. Now the middle of 7 and 8 is 7.5, so the median of this set of numbers is 7.5. You'll notice that if you have an odd number of pieces of data, there will be one median in the middle. If you have an even number of pieces of data, then you'll get two numbers in the middle, which you'll then have to find the median from. Another trick is to add the two numbers together and divide by 2. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. This comes in handy when it's not as easy to see what the median is between the two numbers. Teaching techniques. When teaching this topic, you must reiterate that the numbers have to be in ascending order. So that's from smallest to largest first, before you tackle finding the middle number. If you don't do this, you will end up with the common misconception of just literally looking for the number in the middle. It's also a good technique to either tick or cross the numbers off from the outside, rather than just looking at what looks like it's in the middle. If you do this, it will be a lot easier to work out how many numbers are in the centre, whether it's 2 or 1, and therefore what the median is. The next tip is, if you have an even set of data, so for example, here we can see that there are 6 different numbers. Once you put them in order, you'll find that you get two numbers in the middle. You need to add the two numbers together and divide by 2 in order to find the median. So if we put these in order, 12, 21, 43, 56, 65, and 90, we cross them out from the outside, 12 and 90, 21 and 65. You can see that we have 43 and 56 in the middle. Now this is a harder one to work out what the middle of 43 and 56 is. So instead we use the trick of adding them together and dividing the answer by 2. This gives us an answer of 49.5. So 49.5 is the median. This would have been very difficult to work out without doing this calculation. Deep thinking. Adam says that the median is 7. Why is Adam wrong? You can challenge misconceptions by showing students questions that are wrong, drawing out any problems they have. For example, here we can see that what's happened is they know the median is the middle number, so they've looked at the set of data and they can see that 7 is the middle number. What they've forgotten to do though, which is fundamental, is to put them in order first. So from smallest to largest, we should have 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now we can see the median number is actually 6 and not 7. This is the most common mistake that students make when finding the median.